Hello everyone, welcome back to Mystic Pro Studio. Today I will show you how to create these stunning accessory organizers for your vanity. So let's begin. These are the molds I'll be using today. For each container I'll be using two colors. The first step is to mix the resin and hardener. The product I'm using today has a 3:1 ratio, that is 3 parts of resin and 1 part of hardener. Make sure to mix these thoroughly for at least 4 to 5 minutes to achieve a perfect finish. I'm dividing the resin into 4 equal parts to mix the 4 colors separately. The colors I'm using today are gold, blue, pink and pearl white mica powders. For the first container, I'm layering the blue and gold in a separate cup and then I'll be pouring them into the mold. It's crucial to ensure that there are no bubbles on the surface. Tap the mold carefully and when the bubbles come on the surface, just pop them out with the help of a blowtorch. For the second container, I am using a marbling technique by layering the two colors directly to the mold. Let's leave these to cure for at least 12 hours. It's time to demold. The colors have turned out beautifully and the organizers look absolutely glamorous. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.